Hey guys, Joe from American Trucks, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 20x60 Smittybilt 2-inch receiver hitch rack. Now this is going to be the perfect option for frankly any truck owner out there looking for an easy way to add some storage to the rear of their truck. So what do we have going on with the Smittybilt hitch rack? Well, first of all, this thing is made out of all steel, so it's going to be nice and durable for you. It's finished in that gloss black powder coating, which is not just there to add to the looks, albeit if you were going for the blackout look, this is going to be a perfect match, but that powder coat is there mainly to serve as a layer of protection from the elements. As far as dimensions go, we're looking 20x60, and the depth of this tray is about 3¼ inches, and it's going to be the perfect option for a cooler, some beach chairs, maybe a bike or two, children's bikes. I'm sure you could fit a couple of them on there, maybe a couple suitcases. Something along those lines would be the perfect thing to throw in this hitch rack, and it's going to save you that room in either the bed or the cab of your truck. So our website is going to say this is for 99 and newer Silverados, but really that's not true, as this is a universal product. It's going to fit any truck out there with a 2-inch receiver. As long as you have that, you're good to go for this hitch rack. So pricing for this is going to be extremely cost effective for this amount of space, and to get something that's all steel and black powder coated, I think that's a good price for how much real estate you're getting with this thing. Install for this is going to be extremely easy. It's only a couple nuts and bolts. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter here. Should take you 20-30 minutes to get this thing fully built and dropped into the 2-inch receiver on your truck. So without any further ado, let me show you what tools you'll need and how it's done. Tools you'll need for this install will be an impact gun or ratchet, 10 and 16 millimeter sockets, as well as 16 and 10 millimeter wrenches. So this rack is going to come out of the box in 2 different sections here. The first step is we're going to overlap the two with these 2 bars right in the middle. You can tell the grating is underneath of this bar over here. That's going to go on top, and the grating is on top of this bar over here. That's going to go on the bottom. Now, once we lay these 2 over top of each other like that, we're going to take these 2 plates and the 10 millimeter hardware included in the kit, and we're just going to conjoin these 2 together right here. Before we tighten anything down, I'm just going to come over and hit the other side as well. Take the bar that comes included in the kit, and we're going to use the medium length 16 millimeter bolt to secure the 2 together. Now what we're going to do next here is come to the innermost portion of the bar, and at this position you want to use one of the 2 longer 16 millimeter bolts included in the kit to secure the bar to the tray. Now the reason this bolt is going to be one of the longer ones that comes in the kit is because it needs to accommodate for this support bracket. I'm just going to put that on there like that for right now. And then like we've been doing, flat washer, lock washer, and 16 millimeter nut. Now we're going to come to the ends of that brace we just installed and use the smallest 16 millimeter bolts to secure that to the tray. Now we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. We're going to start by feeding through the largest 16 millimeter bolt. Then we're going to get our support bracket in place, and we're going to follow that up with a flat washer, lock washer, and 16 millimeter nut. And just like the other side, we could go to the ends of that support bracket and get hardware started out there as well. So now we have all the hardware in place. We're just gonna go through and tighten down all the 16mm hardware first, and then we're gonna come back and hit the 10mm hardware that we installed earlier. So that's it for the 16s. We're just gonna come over to the two portions of the tray and tighten down all the 10s. Now we're gonna jump over and do the same thing for the other side. So now our hitch rack is completely built. We could just come over to our 2-inch receiver and put that in place, and you could secure this however you want to. But guys, that is gonna do it for my review and install of the 20x60-inch Smittybilt 2-inch receiver hitch rack, fitting all 99 and newer Silverado 1500s. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and as always, keep it right here at American Trucks.